in further breaking inputs as far as the Supreme Court on taking into account a plea which was put in by the Mazdoor Sangathan. It is observed that the removal of protesters has violated their fundamental rights to protest peacefully. Okay, so they have put in a plea against the decision of their removal. Meenakshi, would you get us certain details here, exactly where this protest was on? This is, of course, by the Mazdoor Sangathan. And was it a particular state government's role here to have them forcibly removed?
Well, sir, this is very interesting and it will assume a lot of import going forward, because today the Supreme Court has admitted this petition filed by the Mazdoor Sangathan, and essentially there were earlier orders of the NGT which had prohibited for protests to take place in Jantar Mantar. There was a clampdown on large-scale protesters protesting at Jantar Mantar. Viewers will recall Jantar Mantar is the location in Delhi where we see a lot of protesters gather from different spheres of life, be that the farmers or the Mazdoors or any person who has a grouse essentially gathers at Jantar Mantar to register his or her the group's protest against any policy. And there was a recent NGT order which had clamped down on such protesters gathering at Jantar Mantar. And today the Supreme Court has sought the Government of India's response on this particular petition, which, like you rightly pointed out, has been filed by the Mazdoor Sangathan, where they're making a case that peaceful form of protest should be allowed. That is an essential part of fundamental rights which are enshrined in the Constitution and guaranteed to any citizen. And today the Supreme Court has also observed and sought replies from the central government on this particular petition, where the Supreme Court has also gone on to make this observation that the removal of these protesters could violate their fundamental right to protest peacefully. Now, the Government of India's position on this will be interesting going forward. Back to you.